Hi, this is David Smith from Film, Video and Virtual Reality magazine, formerly Australian Video Camera magazine. One of life's little certainties is that if you're about to film an event involving a series of presenters at an indoor or outdoor location, no matter how carefully you've arranged the microphones and public address speakers, some well-meaning stranger will, just before the event begins, move the speaker away from the audience. This means that when the host begins to speak, the sound will be ruined by the piercing shriek of audio feedback. Typically, no one will think to reposition the speaker, so unless you can do it yourself, which is often not possible, the audio track of your video will be ruined. To remove feedback is well nigh impossible. It's analogous to unscrambling an omelette, and we all know that just can't happen, don't we? Well, thanks to some remarkable software called Spectral Layers Pro from MAGIX, unscrambling the audio omelette is actually possible. Here's the waveform expressed as amplitude versus time, the way we normally see audio in our editing software. In the spectral approach, the audio is shown as frequency versus time. This view has many benefits, one of which is that you can select individual frequencies and their harmonics using one or other of the selection tools. Alternatively, you can simply use the eraser tool to remove any unwanted sounds. It's a bit like painting in your favourite paint program, except this time you're painting with sound. Let's do this and try to repair my audio. If I play the track, you can quickly see how obvious the feedback regions are. The sound will be ruined by the piercing shriek of audio feedback. So unless you can do it yourself, which is often not possible, the audio track of your video will be ruined. I choose the harmonic selection tool, and I also check the lock to clicked frequency box. This allows me to very easily sweep along the frequency of the feedback to select all instances of that frequency. Hold the Shift key while selecting to add each new selection. Once everything's selected as you want it, you have two choices. You can simply click the Delete key and all of the selected feedback will be instantly removed. This leaves little gaps in the spectral display, but because there's usually a lot of background noise, you won't hear any obvious gaps. The other way to approach the problem is to copy the selection, then paste it to a new layer. That's why it's called Spectral Layers Pro. The new layer can be muted or soloed, but best of all you can click the little plus sign in the layer header and this will reverse the phase of that layer. As a result, the feedback noise will be cancelled out, leaving you with a clean recording of the speeches without any feedback. The audio omelette has been unscrambled.